Okay, angle bisector, this construction, angle bisector. What an angle bisector is, as you may know, this is an angle. An angle is two rays that come together at a common endpoint. An angle bisector is a segment or ray that bisects the angle into two equal pieces. Like that. So how are we going to do that? We're going to do that with the first example here. Okay, so with the first example, go ahead and get your compass so you're ready to go. You're going to adjust it to a measure where it'll cross both rays when you do an arc from A. So adjust it, it doesn't matter what it is, just make sure that it'll cross both rays when you do the arc. So I'm going to put it on A, and I'm going to make an arc like this. And this will be point B, and this will be C. Then once you have that arc, I'm going to go to point B and go above and make a mark, and then point C and make a mark like this. And then connecting point A to this intersection point, which we'll call Q, will give you the angle bisector. So I'm just connecting this to this. And then I can say that angle CAQ is congruent to angle QAB. Okay, now I'm going to repeat that. If you're feeling comfortable, you can kind of work at your own pace. I'm still going to walk through the steps though for anybody who's not quite comfortable yet, or like if you missed a step or something. Okay, so for number one, go to A, and I'm making an arc that passes both of these segments here. B and C. And then from B, I make a mark. And then from C, the same distance from C, I make a mark. And that would be that, the midpoint there. Connect A to this point. This is Q. I can say angle CAQ is congruent to angle QAB. And this is angle bisector. Okay, I repeat. Again, I realize a lot of you don't need me to like explain each step at this point, but anybody who wants me to, I'm gonna just keep explaining it the same way. So from A, I'm making a mark that goes through both rays. B and C. Then from B, okay, number 3, same thing. For number 3, if I use the same measure, it won't quite reach, so I need to open it up a little bit, make it a little bit bigger, and then it'll reach. Let's see, so do this. Number 4, I'm making an arc that goes through both rays. That makes A, middle, B, and C. Then from B, here, to here. Connect point Q to A. A lot of times you won't see the points labeled in a construction. Honestly, labeling the points right now is more about like giving the directions. I can easily say, okay, put your compass on point B, where if it wasn't labeled, I couldn't do that. So, but a lot of times you'll just see it like this without it labeled. Okay, while we're on this, I want to show you one more thing. I wonder if it'll record this or not. I don't think it'll record it. Okay, so only those in class get to see this. Okay, I'll stop.